Welcome everybody to the 18th of December, and I hope you had a great weekend because it was the last weekend before Christmas. How exciting! Now, let's look at yesterday's question. What results did Deloitte find when they implemented ARPEDIO? A massive 25%. And I bet you most of you knew that out there because you're pretty smart. So well done, and I hope you managed to win a prize. Now, you know what? It's been a while. Let's do another knock-knock joke. So let's get in on one. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Olive.
Olive who?
I love Christmas, don't you?
I do.
Right, now we got the funny jokes out of the way, let's get into today's question. What does the org chart from ARPEDIO offer? That's a good one. Happy Monday, happy 18th, see you tomorrow.